So in the Seeking Alpha tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find cryptocurrency to invest in here on Seeking Alpha. So once Seeking Alpha is opened up, I want you to go to the top left, make sure that this bar on the left is opened up. Once you're here, I want you to scroll down to where it says stock analysis and then stock ideas and then press on that. Under the stock ideas page, you have a whole bunch of different analysis right here from different authors in regards to different stocks. So in this case, if all of them are selected, this one's about Google, NTNX. There's a whole bunch of different stock symbols right here. So if you want to go ahead and view the article, you can see their opinions on the stocks. But in this case, if you're looking for cryptocurrency specifically, just scroll down to where it says cryptocurrency right here and then press on that. And this where it says cryptocurrency and Bitcoin investing analysis, you can go ahead, view a whole bunch of different, articles right here in regards to cryptocurrency and then kind of figure out your thing this way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find cryptocurrency to invest in on Seeking Alpha. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.